If you own or are employed by a network marketing or a party plan company, one of your primary goals should be to attract and retain your independent consultants. Direct selling consultants are not employees who report to work each day with regular contact with their supervisors. They are independent contractors who are operating their own businesses. All of what they do is truly up to them. So, you must find ways to encourage them to stay in the game as long as possible. Money paid through your multi-level compensation plan will help in many ways to keep your consultants active. But by itself, money is not enough. Remember, they are volunteers. To stay engaged, volunteers need recognition. Recognition is the acknowledgement of something. When people feel recognized for their achievements, they are more likely to continue doing them. From a corporate direct selling perspective, the purposes of recognition are to reward behaviors that we wish to become repetitive, to increase activity, to decrease attrition, and to help build a culture of personal development. All of these purposes serve the greater goal of increasing stickiness, another word for keeping more of your consultants in the business longer. For every 100 people who enroll to participate in your income opportunity, how many of them do you wish to experience company recognition? The types of recognition that you should offer your new consultants depend on your number. Now, I'll tell you what I think. I recommend that your goal should be to have at least 50% of your consultants experience company recognition. What should be recognized, you ask? I'll tell you. The short answer is anything that the achiever believes is worthy of acknowledgement. Here are some of my 50 recommended recognition measurements. Attain a specific career personal sales target. Achieve the first Fast Start goal. Achieve the second Fast Start goal. Achieve the third Fast Start goal. Achieve the fourth Fast Start goal. Beat your previous personal sales best in Personal Sales Monthly. Beat your personal best in monthly group sales. Have an annual anniversary. Have a birthday. Recruit your first consultant. Recruit your second consultant. Recruit your third consultant. Promote to a new title or rank in your company's compensation plan. Promote to a specific new title or rank faster than anyone else previously. Recruit a specific number of consultants in your career. If yours is a direct selling company, field compensation is your largest expense. Did you know that the average direct selling company spends 30 to 50% of its sales on compensation plan rewards? How much each company spends depends on two factors: its multiplier and its desired pre-tax profit. In addition to this expense, direct selling companies spend 3 to 8% of sales on recognition. Recognition includes awards, contests, incentives, and national and regional conferences. Don't make the mistake of trying to save money on your recognition budget. Instead, endeavor to spend all you've budgeted with the goal to maximize the impact of your spending. Did you know the difference between contest and incentives? Contests are competitions where people compete for supremacy. Contests encourage competition and discourage collaboration because only a select few will win. With a contest, you don't know that if you do X, you will get Y. Incentives, on the other hand, are programs where all of the performers who achieve specific targets can win. With an incentive, you know if you do X, you will get Y. Contests are problematic because there are no specific goals. People don't know what they have to do to win. There is no way to measure if you are on track to win. You cannot be certain if you've won until the contest is over. There are disincentives to collaborate with other top performers because it's a competition. In a top 10 contest, if you are number 11, you lose, even though your performance was excellent. On the other hand, contests do have their good points. These are the good points. The company knows how many winners there will be, so they will know the cost of the rewards for the contest in advance. And the CFO is feeling pretty good. The company knows how many hotel rooms to book, and the travel planner is happy too. The company knows how many employees need to attend based on the known number of winners, so they can plan now for their absence. Whenever a direct selling company runs a contest, they will have a group of top performers they've made very unhappy. That doesn't seem so smart to me, especially since they are volunteers. I've written extensively about how all multi-level compensation plans should be designed to motivate and reward specific behaviors. These are the 12 behaviors. Personally purchasing your products or services. Selling to customers, non-participants of the income opportunity. Introducing the income opportunity to others. This is called sponsoring or recruiting. Building a team. Training, supporting, and nurturing others. Becoming a leader. Personally developing leaders. Helping other leaders to develop leaders. Meeting or exceeding minimum activity requirements. Being promoted to a higher title or rank. Meeting or exceeding title maintenance requirements. Staying active and engaged in the business, otherwise known as retention. Interestingly, each contest or incentive should be designed with consideration of several, but not all, of these behaviors. While great compensation plans are always complex, recognition programs need to be less complicated. How do you know if you have a compensation plan problem? It is vitally important for you to know who is doing the recruiting. In fast-growing companies, most new consultants are sponsored by consultants who themselves are relatively new. In slow-growing companies, new recruits recruit almost no one, or the median number of days until they recruit their first recruit is very long. If your consultants recruit only when there is something special in it for them that is not always present, you have a big problem. Your compensation plan is not adequately rewarding the recruiting behavior. To grow quickly, you need to have a recruiting culture. To fix this problem, include in your multi-level compensation plan the same great rewards for recruiting new consultants when these consultants become qualified. In other words, when they meet a specific sales target. Here are the most common mistakes that direct selling companies make when it comes to recognition. First, not having a complete recognition strategy. Not offering enough forms of recognition. Not setting recognition participation goals. Not spending enough on recognition. Not providing enough zero-cost or low-cost recognition awards. Compensation plan does not motivate and reward recruiting sufficiently. Early career achievements are not recognized. Achievements are not published publicly. Too many contests and too few incentives. Offering lucky draw contest rewards. Not having leadership meetings or leadership trips as rewards. Not tracking progress toward rewards when the company has the data to do so. Not sharing progress weekly with consultants before a program ends. Not providing details of achievements and progress to leaders to share at team meetings. Not videoing trips or meetings. Not using video content properly. Not calling new consultants to welcome them aboard and to answer their questions. not calling consultants to congratulate them for specific achievements, not recognizing consultant birthdays and work anniversaries with a recap of personal achievements to date. While your expenditures on recognition are small compared to what you pay through your compensation plan, remember that recognition is equally important to attract and retain your independent consultants. All recognition programs should be designed to fit your business model and compensation plan. Don't set it and forget it. Just as compensation plans need to be refreshed from time to time, so do your recognition programs.